Folks, iPhone 15 series is finally here. And honestly, I'm really impressed with iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. The specifications are just insane. From A17 Pro chip to 48 megapixel main camera that brings super high resolution photos and next generation portraits, along with USB-C with USB 3 that comes in titanium design, 4 color options. Not to forget the action button. That's simply crazy. Well, there is so much more to like about iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. So if you're looking to upgrade or switch to iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro Max, then you should go ahead with upgrade or switch even without thinking about it again. And after switching to iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro, the very first thing you will like to do is transfer data from old phone to iPhone 15. Now to transfer data from old phone to iPhone 15, you should try move to iOS, which can not only transfer data from old iPhone to iPhone 15 but can also transfer data from old Android to iPhone 15, and all this can be done for free. But what if move to iOS iPhone 15 data transfer not working for you and you are not able to transfer data from Android to iPhone 15 for free? Well, then this video is for you. Watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading the application from the links in description and pin comment to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone without resetting iPhone. Hey folks, myself from Business back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone 15 without factory reset using best move to iOS alternative. First, using move to iOS WhatsApp transfer can be very frustrating many times, as we may face issues like move to iOS stuck on preparing, move to iOS stuck on 1 minute, move to iOS stuck on authenticating, and the list of move to iOS errors are never ending. Now what to do then? Well, in this situation we will require a professional phone data transfer tool, and here I recommend Tenorshare iCarefone transfer. Tenorshare iCarefone transfer can transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without factory reset, and the best thing is that it allows us to merge old and new WhatsApp messages between Android and iOS. That's simply insane. That's not it. iCarefone transfer offers multi-directional transfer, which helps to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android, iPhone to iPhone, Android to Android as well. The best part, it supports latest iOS 17 and it is also available on Google Play Store. So you can transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone 15 without PC and factory reset. All you need is to follow 3 simple steps and you can transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone 15. This seems really easy. Let's give it a try, and for that follow the links in description and pin comment to visit this official website. Now click on free download. It starts downloading, and once Tenorshare iCarefone transfer free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have Tenorshare iCarefone transfer with all its features and capabilities. Pause before we start with WhatsApp transfer. Let me show you the data I am looking to transfer. Here is my Android phone which has WhatsApp with chats, that is images, videos, voice notes, stickers and much more. Now I am looking to transfer this to my iPhone, and here is my iPhone which has WhatsApp that is not set up yet. So now let's know how to use Tenorshare iCarefone transfer to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. And for that, click on WhatsApp. Now here we need to connect our devices. First, connected Android phone with computer by USB. Now we will be required to allow USB debugging. Tap on allow and see here it shows Samsung Galaxy 13 in source device. Once Android phone is connected, connect iPhone with computer. We will see trust this computer prompt. Tap on trust and enter passcode. Once both devices are connected, click on transfer. Now here we get prompt that our WhatsApp data on iPhone will be overwritten. As there is no WhatsApp data on iPhone, click on continue. Now from here we can select the latest WhatsApp backup or can also create one. And to know how to create WhatsApp backup, follow these steps. Simply open WhatsApp, tap on 3 dots and then tap on settings. Now tap on chats and then chat backup. Now first, here is a pro tip. Create an encrypted backup to make your WhatsApp transfer much faster. And for that, tap on end-to-end encrypted backup. Next, tap on turn on. and click on use 64-digit encryption key instead. Now tap on generate your 64-digit key. Next, it will generate your encryption key. Take a screenshot so that we can use it later. Next, tap on continue. Now tap on I saved my 64-digit key. Next, we need to create end-to-end encrypted backup, and for that tap on create. Once done, click on continue. It will start getting WhatsApp data from Android phone. Next, we need to verify WhatsApp backup using 64-digit encryption key. Enter it using a screenshot and then click on verify. Next, it will start generating data that can be restored. From here, we can select the data we want to transfer. Let's not change anything and click on continue. Now we will be required to log into WhatsApp on iPhone. Open WhatsApp, then tap on agree and continue. Next, enter your number and verify it. Once done, click on logged in. Now the restore process begins, and it may take some time depending on size of your WhatsApp backup. Once done, here it mentions transfer successfully. Now our iPhone will restart, and once we open WhatsApp, boom, here we have all our WhatsApp chat that has images, videos, voice notes, stickers, more from Android to iPhone. Wow, that was so smooth and effortless. Same way, you can also transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone 15 using Tenorshare iCarefone transfer. Now you may ask, is Tenorshare iCarefone transfer free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about Tenorshare iCarefone WhatsApp transfer pricing plans. And for that, here we are back on official website. Now click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans for Tenorshare iCarefone transfer. You can choose one as per your requirement. The best part, you can use this limited time offer to get extra $5 discount. Wow, that's amazing. So if you are looking to upgrade to iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro or Max, then you should try Move to iOS to transfer data from old phone to new iPhone 15. But if Move to iOS is not working, I will highly recommend you try out Tenorshare iCarefone transfer. And if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Develop Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. How to downgrade iOS 17 to iOS 16? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. Today I'm gonna show you all how to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone after setup.